Hello everyone, who would have thought that pouring beer into eggs and cooking them would instantly turn them into a delicious dish? Everyone who tries it will praise you as a master chef. It's a super easy recipe for lazy cooks. Let's see how I make it. First, we prepare 6 authentic hen eggs. I'm using free-range eggs here. They're more nutritious and the color turns out better too. Start by cracking the eggs one by one into a large bowl. Eggs are rich in protein and can provide the amino acids our bodies need. Next, pour in an appropriate amount of beer, about 100 milliliters is enough. Then thoroughly beat the eggs until they're well mixed. Finally, whisk until you see lots of tiny bubbles and the mixture is smooth and silky like this. Once it's well mixed, set it aside for now. Next, prepare a large bowl and add 3 heaping tablespoons of flour. Add a spoonful of salt to enhance the base flavor. Then use chopsticks to mix the salt evenly. Gradually pour the beaten egg mixture into the bowl in several small additions. Use chopsticks to mix it evenly into a batter. Beer contains yeast, so you can use the bubbles and yeast in the beer to help the batter ferment. This will make the flour mixture very soft and crispy, and it will also give it a unique flavor. Finally, stir the batter until it becomes very thick and sticky, like this yogurt-like consistency that can still flow. Then cover it with plastic wrap to prevent moisture loss and set it aside to ferment for 20 minutes. Next, prepare a carrot and peel it. Carrots help boost immunity and protect eyesight. It's good for children to eat more of it. After peeling, cut it and then slice it thinly. Then cut it into thin strips. Finally, dice it into small cubes. After cutting, put it on a plate and set aside. Prepare 2 sausages and cut them into slices. Then cut them into thin strips. Next, dice them into small pieces. Try to cut them as finely as possible for a better texture. After cutting, mix them together with the carrots. Then prepare a handful of scallions and chop them finely. The finer you chop, the stronger the scallion aroma will be. After chopping, put them in a bowl and set aside. Time's up, and our batter has finished fermenting. You can see lots of small bubbles inside. The batter made with beer instead of yeast smells really fragrant. Then add the chopped carrots and sausage. Add the chopped scallions. Add a spoonful of 5-spice powder or 13-spice seasoning. Then use chopsticks to mix everything well so that all the ingredients and the batter are fully combined. Mix it until it looks like this, and that's good. Next, pour a generous amount of canola oil into the pan. Heat the oil in the pan until it's about 60% hot. You can test it by putting in chopsticks. If small bubbles quickly form around them, it's ready. Then use a spoon to scoop an appropriate amount of batter and put it into the pan. You can dip the spoon in some cooking oil so it won't stick. Also, don't make the batter portions too big or they won't cook through easily. Be sure to fry them slowly over medium-low heat, letting the batter puff up. If the heat is too high, the outside will burn, while the inside is still not fully cooked. Gently turn them with a slotted spoon so the egg puffs cook more evenly. Fry for about 3 minutes until they're cooked through and all float to the surface. Finally, fry until they become puffy with a golden, crispy exterior. Alright, take them out and drain the oil. If you want them even crispier, you can fry them a second time. A delicious batch of egg puffs is ready. The outside is golden and crispy, while the inside is fluffy and soft. Just looking at them makes you hungry. They're easier to make than fried dough sticks and tastier than steamed buns, making them a great choice for breakfast. They're especially nutritious and very easy to prepare. If you like them, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.